Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with RedTrack for link tracking and campaign analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the RedTrack website. Create a new account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab located in the menu. Next, click on that Add New Campaign button. Fill in the basic information for your campaign. This includes the campaign name, type, and description. Select the traffic source you plan to use. Now, it's time to set up your tracking link. Navigate to the Links section from the Campaign Setup page. Click on Add New Link to create a new tracking link. Choose a name for your link that reflects its purpose. Set the destination URL where you want to direct your traffic. You can also choose to enable specific tracking options. These options might include tracking parameters or postback URLs. After configuring the link, click on the Save button. Your new tracking link will now be available. To analyze your campaign performance, go to the Reports section. Here, you can view important metrics and statistics. Explore the different reporting options to gain insights. Utilize filters to customize the data displayed in your reports. For real-time tracking, check the Live Stats feature. Integrate any additional tools if needed, for enhanced functionality. Regularly monitor your campaigns for better performance. Adjust your strategies based on the analytics provided by RedTrack. This ensures you stay optimized for your marketing goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.